In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a presentation 508 compliant in PowerPoint. We'll walk through the built-in tools and best practices so your slides are readable, navigable, and understandable for all audiences, including people using assistive technologies. Start by running PowerPoint's Accessibility Checker. Go to the Review tab and choose Check Accessibility. A pane will appear with warnings and suggestions. Read each item carefully. It explains what's wrong and often provides a fix. Use this as your roadmap. As you work, rerun the checker to verify that issues are resolved. Next, add meaningful alternative text to visuals. Right-click any image, shape, chart, or smart art, and choose Edit Alt Text. In the text field, clearly and concisely describe the content and purpose. For a chart, summarize the key trend or takeaway rather than just saying bar chart. Aim for 1 or 2 sentences that would make sense if someone couldn't see the slide at all. Ensure the slide's reading order matches how you want it to be read out by a screen reader. Go to Home, then Arrange, and open the selection pane. You'll see a stack of objects. Arrange them in a logical order that flows top to bottom, left to right. Drag items to reorder and double-check that titles, body text, and visuals follow a sensible sequence. Choose accessible fonts and colors. Use high-contrast combinations, such as dark text on a light background, to make content easy to read. Pick clean sans-serif fonts, like Arial or Calibri, and avoid using color alone to convey meaning. If you're distinguishing categories, add text labels or patterns so the difference is perceivable without relying on color. If your presentation includes multimedia, provide captions or transcripts. For videos, add closed captions or subtitles so spoken content is available as text. If you have audio narration, include a transcript that captures what's said and any important sounds. This benefits people who are deaf or hard of hearing and anyone viewing without sound. Stick to PowerPoint's built-in slide layouts rather than drawing custom text boxes. The predefined layouts use placeholders that screen readers can interpret correctly, improving navigation and reading order. Optionally, test your slides with a screen reader. On Windows, try Narrator. On Mac, use VoiceOver. Listen for alt text accuracy, reading order, and whether slide content makes sense without visuals. Finally, if you need to share a PDF, go to File, Save As, choose PDF, select Options, and enable document structure tags for accessibility. This preserves your reading order and tags, helping assistive technologies interpret the document. Follow these steps, and you'll have a presentation that's well on its way to being 508 compliant and genuinely accessible.